Hey guys, we all know how hot and frustrating the summer can be, especially when it comes to our hair. Today's wig is a low maintenance, hassle-free wig that is guaranteed to keep you looking cute in the hot, sunny weather this summer. So a little bit of information about this wig. This wig is from RPG Hair. This is a 14-inch with 180% density. This is a glueless lace frontal wig, so of course you don't have to worry about gluing it down. In this video, I will not be gluing my wig down. I'm just using the combs on the wig to secure it down. Now, I have not done any plucking to this hairline. It does not state in the description section for this wig if the hairline is pre-plucked, but I can tell you right now, this hairline is pre-plucked, and as you can see, girl, I am whipping this hair and it ain't going nowhere, so you definitely don't have to worry about securing this wig down at all. Couldn't really make my mind up if I wanted to do like a side part or a flip over method, but of course I ended up deciding on the side part. Now when I was parting my hair on the side, I did notice that I get less parting space. I get 2 inches of parting space on the side, and I get 3 inches of parting space if I decided to part my hair in the middle. I'm going to be using a little bit of gel to slick back my edges, and I'm going to also use that gel on my sideburns to hold down the side of the wig. This is a really good trick, by the way. Given that I did not pluck this hairline at all, I can really appreciate a nice hairline. I am going to go ahead and section out my baby hairs and pluck the baby hairs just a little bit to kind of thin it out to get my baby hairs to look the way I normally like for them to look on my frontals. You definitely don't have to do this. This is just a step that I like to do, but as you can see, before I did any type of tweezing on the hairline, like the hairline was A1, no lie. For the first time ever, I'm using the Got To Be Glued gel to lay down my baby hairs. I don't normally do this. Well, I've never done this. But I love the way Dominique lays her baby hairs here on YouTube. If you don't know who she is, I'll have the link to her YouTube channel where you can check her out. She slays her wigs. So far I really do like this. I think I kind of like this a little bit better than the Eco Styling gel, and I think because of the firmness that the Got To Be Glued gel gives. I don't know, but I'm liking it so far. I never used it to lay my baby hairs. I will use it to secure my wig down. So yes, honey, thank you, Dominique. The length of this wig is perfect for the summertime. The length is a 14-inch. I don't see it. Maybe it's a 14-inch once I wet it, but this length is perfect for the summertime because it's not too much hair on your neck or on your face. And you know, when it's hot outside, girl, you don't want nothing on your neck or nothing on your face making you hotter. So what I decided to do for this look is push like some of the hair going behind my ear, and I took my curling wand to kind of press out the roots just to make sure the hair doesn't fall back in my face. So next I'm going to go ahead and wet the hair. I'm not going to drench the hair because I don't know if the curl pattern is going to change on me if I wet the hair too much. So just by me wetting the hair a little bit, I think I'm really liking this curly hair texture. So when it comes to curly hair, I'm very particular on how I like my curl pattern. And unfortunately, with just only adding water to this wig, I wasn't getting the curl pattern that I wanted, which was more super defined ringlet curls. So I had to add product to the hair, which is no problem. So I used the John Fritter Frizz Ease curling spray, and I use the Organics curling cream. I'll have info in the description bar. But anyways, using these two products together definitely helped define the curls and gave me that ringlet look that I love on my curly hair. So I'm just using a blow dryer with a diffuser to help dry the hair because I did like drench my hair. And also it helps with shaping the curls and giving it a more defined look as well. Oh, and also if you look to the right side, that is the side that is completely dry. I know, right? Like super duper gorgeous. One thing that I love about the two products that I used is it gives your hair a wet look, but it's not wet. But it doesn't leave your hair crunchy either. It leaves the curls still really soft. I'm actually going to try using these two products on my natural hair and see if I like it. But I love when this wig dries. Like, the curl pattern is amazing when you add product, but you may not like the curl pattern that I love. So it's really like to each his own. You can try it with water and see if you like that curl pattern. You could try it with just using water and the dimming brush, or you can add product and see, you know, which one you like the best. But as you can see, the hair is getting a little bit more volume and fullness to it as the hair dries, and that's what I really do like about this wig, because I hate flat curly hair. Like, I need some sort of volume to my curly hair, and that's probably just because, you know, my face is kind of round and like big basically. So I need a little bit of big hair around my face, if you know what I mean. As you can see, this wig is definitely summer friendly, low maintenance, doesn't require a lot to get a natural flawless look. Be sure to check out the coupon code in the description bar to save yourself some money. Thanks for watching.